sit for a bit. Get your belly. Your tail is, you're so funny. You just don't quite wagging that tail, do you? You're a good boy. Never met a dog so excited about that. Yeah. Stay, Bubba, okay? We'll get you completely clean. Yeah. You crack me up, dude. No. No. Let's get more of a lather going, okay? Really get down to your skin so that, yeah. And loosen some of that undercoat out. Just kinda. Is life good, dude? Life's so good. I forgot to ask your owner if you can have treats. Let's head stand. You're so good. I wonder if he knows you have a lump right there. Huh. I'm sure he does. Let your owner know just in case. It's your left side. Huh. You're kind of special. Get your belly real good and your butt and that tail. You gonna sit down? It looked like you wanted to sit down. You can sit down. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's get the other parts of you, okay, buddy? You gotta stay for a minute, okay? It's not too tight, is it? Okay. What you think? What you thinking, bud? Let's get your belly really clean. You're the best. You're the best. You're the best. I know. What the heck am I doing to you? Just go to some crazy person's house and start taking a bath? Huh? You actually don't seem to mind that much, do you? You gonna sit? You can sit. You can sit if you want. Let's see your paws, okay? Your legs. Oh yeah. Good boy. Good boy, Amos. Oh, she's a good boy. Huh? I don't know what my... Yeah. Yeah, babe. You're hungry? Is that what you said? Okay. Why don't you go see if something looks good in the cabinets for now, till I can make you a sandwich, okay? Oh yeah, that's great. Alright, you definitely need some soap back there, Bubba. Let's get that hose real quick. What are you doing? You're being weird, dude. I know, it's a weird spot, but I gotta get your tail your behind, okay? Let me stand up, silly. I'm just going to get in there with you for a minute. Here. Get all that off you, dude. Okay? Yeah. It's okay. I know, that's weird. Huh. I'm gonna check, make sure you're okay back there. Seems like it's making you uncomfortable. What makes you uncomfortable? Huh. It seems swollen back there. Double check when you're out. Bath. All this loose hair coming out. That's what we want. There we go. I know, that's weird, dude. It's okay, it's okay. Just rinse, okay? It's always weird when you're back there, huh? See what the heck are you doing back there, dude? Belly. What are you doing? What is that? What is that? He's doing so good. You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. You're doing good. You're a good boy. Some soap in here. We'll do a little bit of that Deferminator conditioner. Gotta make sure they're so rinsed off, like super rinsed, because it irritates their skin if you leave even the slightest bit of shampoo or conditioner on them. So let me get that side a little better with soap. Really want to get you clean, little man. You're doing so good. No. Nope. Oh, look what I just did. I just sprayed the floor. You were trying to be sneaky. Huh? Did you try to sneak? That's alright. Most dogs do that. It's okay. We'll be done soon, bud. Look at all this hair, guys. Ready? Just from the bath. I know. What the heck is that, dude? What the heck is that, bud? Let's get your face and your right butt cheek, because I got the left one good. And then we'll do the conditioner. Yeah, you're a good boy. You are a good boy. I know, what the heck, man. You always gotta be careful with their ears. You don't want to get water up their ears or in their nose. That's why I always do the face last, because it's just always kind of a struggle. No dog wants water in their face, you know. I'm going to start with your neck area. Just kind of give them a massage. How's that, Bubba? And just kind of damp their face a little bit. Yeah. No, you gotta stay, bud. I know. Lather. What am I doing to your face, huh? the outside of the ears. And we'll clean the ears inside after the bath because I like to leave a little bit of wax in there during the bath just in case a little water does get in there. It will help protect the ear. So that's why I do it after. You're not like, okay, here we go. Just get your face real quick. No. Oh, nobody likes that part. Okay, I'm gonna get the soap and we're gonna do a little facial. Okay? And then we'll rinse your face. I'll put the conditioner on. And then, I like to use this on the face because it doesn't hurt their eyes. And, come here. You're okay, honey. You don't like that. I know. That's okay. What is that? A little mole? Good boy, Amos. I know. You're okay, honey. You're okay, Papa. You're okay. I know. The face part you're not happy about. But you're still wagging your tail. How does that work? Stay. Stay, Papa. Okay? I know. Come here. Let's get that pretty face of yours. Let's get your pretty face of yours. Yes. I know. It's okay. You're okay, honey. Amos, you're okay. Get by your lips. What's up with the paw? Are you trying to give me a paw? Huh? Okay. I'm just getting underneath here really good. Yeah, I know. You're nervous. It's okay. You're doing so good. I'm going to massage your face. You're okay. You're a good boy, Amos. You're doing so good. You are. You're such a good boy. Get all that dirt off your head. Okay, now we're going to rinse. Nope. You got to stay done. Let's start on the bottom here. Is that a mole or is that a tip? What is that? I'm going to have to look at that closer. It might be. I can't tell. You got to stay bud, okay? Start at your neck. Work down your face, okay? You're doing good, Amos. You're a really good boy. You're a really good boy. Rinse the top of your head, your ears. Good boy. Rinse your face. I know. Nobody likes that part. I know. Hold on. Good boy. I know. Let's get the bottom, your cheeks. Good boy. Right in there. Yeah, that's a good boy. That's not so bad. Just want to make sure that I don't leave any soap. Okay? Oh, good boy, Amos. I know. Real quick. This side. Let's get your lip right there. Yeah, good boy. Now I'm going to do conditioner, okay? Get your feet. What's wrong with you? Why are you doing that? Is it just ticklish? Your paw's okay, yeah? You just being silly? Now we do Furminator conditioner. And watch how much hair comes out this dog with that. Okay, ready? This is more. So we have all this, and then what we'll do is grab that conditioner. You want to smell? You're like, get that away from me? What is that? Promise it'll smell great after this. It's okay. Just kind of You gotta really let this sit for a little bit to let it work. It smells delicious. Yes, it does. And just wait. How good this stuff works, guys. That's amazing. Amazing stuff. It's de-shedding conditioner from Furminator. You really don't need much to, I don't know if you can see my hand. Do you see that? It's just coming out. So I like to take this brush, this undercoat brush, just kind of brush that through and let it sit. Oh yeah, finally. You haven't done that the whole time, silly goose. Let's get all that out of you, huh? You're such a good boy. You're such a good boy. Let that sit a little bit. Yeah, no, you gotta stay, sweetie. Not yet, okay? I know. Just get a little bit more on the back side. Okay? You gotta stay, sweetie. You're doing really good, Amos. I know. You're doing good, though. You really are. You're doing really good, honey. Just kind of rub that in your... Nope. Wow, you're going to look so pretty when you're done. You're going to smell so good. Yeah. You're getting anxious. Wow, that's crazy. Here, come over here, Amos. Right here. I don't want you choking yourself. Can you sit down? Do you know how to sit? I know you know how to sit. Can you sit? Can you sit? No? Put something in your face. Just let that sit for a minute, okay? Look at all that. That's just crazy. Crazy. You're okay, Bubba. Almost done. Okay, and then we'll blow you out. Trim your nails if they need trimmed. And to clean your ears. Yeah. Good boy, Amos. You gotta stay, sweetie. Not yet, okay? Okay, good. I know. Wow. Nope, stay. Stay. Whew, it's getting a little hot in here. I'm gonna have to crack that window. You're hot too, huh? The water's cool, at least. It's not hot, that's for sure. All right, let's get you rinsed out, bud, okay? This takes a minute to get rinsed out, so. But it really does help. Of course, common sense, you want to start from the top and work your way down. You're just trying to be sneaky. You can't sneak out of here yet, bud. No, Amos. You gotta stay for a little bit, okay? A little bit longer. You're doing good though, bud. Oh yeah, your fur already feels so much better. Stay, Amos. Hey, don't jump out, okay? You gotta stay, buddy. It is snowing outside. It was absolutely beautiful on Christmas Day. And now it's snowing outside. Gotta love Colorado. Hey buddy, can I have you scoot over? Oh, come on, Bubba. Sorry, right there. You're good. Thank you. Good boy. Let's go get all that in here, okay? Yeah. The look on your face. The look on your face, Amos. You're not wagging your tail anymore. What the heck? Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are. Good boy. Make sure you really rinse, okay? Get this neckline, where a lot of that hair comes out of. Yeah. No. That's the problem, like with this shower, is they can just walk right out if they want. Alright. Well, I'm going to cut this video short because I don't want it to take forever to upload. But I'll show you the end result of this big guy. And yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions. Let's see if I can do this